rosemary is a well-known plant used widely for cooking purposes, in cosmetics, and for other household issues. But did you know that you can boost your memory with this simple plant? It is a powerful herb which has been traditionally used in the treatment of various health issues thanks to its potent medicinal properties. Among these properties is also the ability to improve memory, and it represents a great assistance in solving cognitive problems. In Europe, Greek students are well aware of the high potency of rosemary when memory is concerned, as they have the habit of wearing a branch of this herb in their backpack when having an important exam. Numerous conducted studies reveal the content of carnosic acid, which is a powerful compound that can fight off toxic components that affect the brain. Literature also mentions the use of rosemary when memory is concerned. Namely, Shakespeare wrote about the properties of rosemary in his play Hamlet, quoting, "There's rosemary that's for remembrance, pray, love," said Ophelia. This herb is not solely used by alternative medicine, but as well as modern medicine use it thanks to its incredible properties. Modern medicine commonly uses it as an analgesic for migraine and digestive issues.